Hey, in today's video, I'm going over my top 10 gift ideas for gardeners. That's right. So if you're searching for a gift for a gardener, I got your back. Or if you are a gardener and you want to help your family members out with gifts, I have your back as well. All right, so Black Friday is approaching and some of these items may be on sale. I know some are. So even if you're not watching this video during this time, I still have two items that gardeners are gonna love, and I have a discount code, but we'll talk about that later. All right, the first gift I wanna talk about is right behind me. You cannot go wrong with your very own grow station. That's right. All right, so this grow station I made it myself. I went ahead and I bought the shelving from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can find these products easily. But the reason why I went ahead and made it myself is because of the insane prices for actual grow station. Some were like $800, $900, over $1,000, and I want to be a lot cheaper. All right, so that's why I got this metal shelf from Amazon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, so I can put a lot of plants there, and it is on rollers. Look at that, it's moving. All right, so it's gonna be easy for me to roll, just like the expensive grow stations that I was talking about earlier. All right, so having this grow station, I'm able to make all my starts. I don't have to waste money. I will end up saving money making my own starts instead of going to the store, because they're going up and up like everything. All right, so this will greatly help a gardener get started with growing all of their food. And you know that the spring season is coming around the corner. That will be a great idea. All right, so we're gonna go outside and we're gonna talk about some of my other items, but then we're gonna circle back so I can go over some more components of this grow station. All right, so let's go ahead and head outside. This is gift idea number 2. This is from Quictent. This is our portable greenhouse. And I did a sponsored video not too long ago, and they're running a Black Friday sale. So go ahead and check their website out. But if you're not watching during that time, no worries. I'll put my discount code down low so you can receive some more savings. This will be a perfect gift to have to extend the growing season or to start a little sooner. And this is going to protect your plants as well. You have 3 windows on this side. You have 3 windows on this side for ventilation. You also can open up the first layer right here, and behind that is a netting that will prevent the pests from getting to our plants. And the size of this is 12 by 6 by 6, so you have more than enough room. All right, we're heading over to gift idea number 3. The next gift idea is a metal raised bed from Vajayga. That's right. All right, this raised bed will last for at least 20 years. You can't beat that. They have awesome colors as well. I did a sponsored video for this raised bed a couple months ago, and right now they're gonna be running a Black Friday sale to give you more savings. If you're watching this video and it's not during that time, no worries. I'm gonna drop my discount code so that you can get some savings when you are looking at this video. So once again, it is real simple to put together. You don't need any large tools or anything like that. You need your hands and you need a screwdriver. Other than that, that's it. And it is an amazing gift idea for that gardener. Gift idea number 4. I had to put this in here. If you look, this is my citrus tree that has been dying back year after year after year because I was using the wrong thing. Now it's getting so tall. All right, so this is a plant cover or a tree cover, and it is going to help against wind. It's going to help against rain. It's going to help against snow, and it's going to help against frost. And we are in the process in another couple of days of getting some frost. So I will be out here covering my tree up with this. And I'm also going to put my tarp around it as well for more protection. But this right here is going to help me because it helped me last year. I had to put this in here so that I can help some of you that have experienced dieback of your citrus trees or whatever you have growing in your backyard. this is a must that I need right now. And I'm probably gonna look on Amazon to see if they have any more and at the Black Friday sale if it's on sale. All right, moving on to number 5. Gift number 5 are these Felco pruners. These pruners are amazing. All right, so just the last couple of days, this tree was filled with persimmons. I had to go by and clip all the persimmons off because they're real tough to take off by hand. But these pruners did the trick, and they are a great gift idea. So if I need to prune a branch, I can just go here and it's going to clip it just smooth like butter. Now, no worries about that. It's going to eventually encourage lateral growth, and off the new growth, that's where my persimmons are going to come from next season. All right, but you can't go wrong with these pruners. They are awesome. All right. On to gift idea number 6. Whether you're growing indoors on your grow rack or if you're growing outdoors in your greenhouse, you need to have some nice trays. All right, these seedling trays are from Bootstrap Farmer. I have been using these for like 3 or 4 years. The reason why I like them is because they're nice and strong. They're sturdy. They're built to last. Look at that. I mean, you can't beat that. I have been reusing these, like I said. And another great benefit is, let me hold up, let me get it. If I want to bottom water, which I do, I can put the water in the tray here that it does not have any holes or anything like that. And these are made, if you look at the bottom, the holes are at the bottom. I set this in the tray, and guess what? The plants are getting their watering from the bottom, everything they need. And when they're done, all I have to do is empty the bottom reservoir out and then lay this back in and then put this back on my grow rack. And this is helping me avoid having mold being built up, and my plants are just going to be nice and healthy, all because I have some nice trays. All right, so here's another good idea as a gift. Gift idea number 7. This is going to help me when I'm germinating my seeds. I can't go wrong with having a heating mat. All right, so the heating mat is going to get your seeds and that soil warm enough so that your germination rates improves. So it will be a great asset to have heating mats, especially for those little teeny seeds that have a hard time pushing through, or when it's real cold and you need some extra heat. The heating mat is going to help those gardeners achieve great success with the germination process. All right, so you cannot, I repeat, you cannot go wrong with this, especially when you use it in conjunction with your grow station. All right, now to gift number 8 is also right behind me. All right, so if you want to have a nice grow station, you got to have some lights. All right, so these lights are not the massively expensive lights. These lights are regular shop lights, and I'll put the exact ones down below in the description so that you can be aware of the ones that I use. And you've seen my plants thrive with these regular shop lights, excuse me. All right, so if I cut this on, I will disappear. Well, you know what? I want to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to do a disappearing act. All right, so here are the shop lights. They're nice and bright. These plants right here love it. Now, I do have some of my plants in dormancy, and I do have some that I decided to do a test run with, but they are getting exactly what they need. So you can't go wrong with these shop lights. All right, we're almost there. Gift idea number 9. I have to have this when I start my seedlings, me personally. All right, let me pick it up. My potting soil. This is a Happy Frog mix, and this has helped me out greatly. Now, it's kind of pricey, but my plants get exactly what they need from this. It has a lot of nutrition. So that's why I always use this to start all my seedlings. Let me put this thing down. Once again, that potting soil works for me. If you look over my shoulder right here, they are in that potting soil mix. They are thriving. All of my starts come from being in that potting soil mix. It's not the only potting soil mix, but it made my top 10 list for this video. Now, my number 10 gift idea is a fertilizer. That's right. This is from Neptune's Harvest Tomato and Veg. Now, this is going to give my plants everything that they need. They're going to get their nitrogen so they can stay nice and green, just like these seedlings. You can't go wrong with it. Now, I am going to get the larger bottle, the gallon, so that it goes a long way. Now, I do like to use fish fertilizer, but I'm not going to use fish fertilizer in my home because of the smell. This has a smell, but no way close to that. And once I use the small dosage, you won't smell it after a while. But this is some great stuff. So I don't expect everybody to run out and go get all of my top 10. Chances are you may have a lot of this already, but I wanted to focus on the grow station so that you can get a cheaper one with the shelving, so you don't have to worry about paying $1,000 or $2,000 for a grow station. This is going to help you save money in the long run when you're getting ready to make your seedlings. You don't have to worry about going to the big box store, and you have a variety now because you have something that you can grow all types of seeds in your home. You cannot beat that. All right, so that's why I wanted to do this video. And don't forget, check out the Black Friday sales in the websites that I put down below. And you can look at Amazon and see if any of this is on sale for Black Friday. But if not, these are some great ideas to get a gardener no matter what. Birthdays, it could be any type celebration, or just to get them something. And they're going to love it. I'm telling you, because I know I would. All right, so share this video with others so that they'll know what to get these gardeners. And I'll see you in the next video, which is right over there. All right, bye.